If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey everyone, hope you're all doing good today. Here is a video from earlier this month where I utilized volume divergence in order to make a nice profit in the short term. Hope you guys enjoy. 3 minutes until expiration, so we are looking to take, I'll consider taking short-term profits at 11 on the short term. Let me go ahead and set that limit order for exit there. So I will show you exactly what led me to get into this position here. Let's just give it a few seconds to see if we see a drop down to our limit price. So there we go. We actually are seeing a pretty decent drop here. As you can see, our limit order is up there. There we go. Boom. Just like that, guys. So we got a fantastic short-term profit. As you can see, that was within about a minute there. So we still have 2 minutes left if we want to consider a re-entry, but I am satisfied with that short-term profit there. Let me go ahead and show you on the chart exactly what led me to get into this position here. So as you can see, our overall trend is down. So that's what you want to start with, identifying the overall trend, which as you can see, I have the trend starts here. Our lower high and lower lows are established here. And as you can see, also the center Bollinger Band plays as a nice double confirmation for where your support and resistance can be, especially when in a trend. When you see a slanting Bollinger Band, center Bollinger Band line like this, it can double as a trend line as well. So basically, I looked at our previous points of the trend, reinforced the fact that we are seeing lower lows and lower highs as well. And as you can see, this continues all the way down to here. And also on the rise up, you can see very small here, but we do have bullish volume divergence, which means that the bullish trend continues up, but the bullish volume is actually going down. So this means that there is a weak push to the upside, meaning that any attempt to try and break beyond the trend will be short-lived in this scenario. So that's exactly what we played off, guys. I saw this candle as it was forming, and then I jumped in as soon as the pair opened here. And as you can see, we were able to get our profits out probably around here. And that is how that trade went. So as you can see, the bearish volume is actually on an increase. So that is another way. Just like how you can have volume divergence, you can also have volume increasing as the pair decreases as well. This reinforces that there is more of a bearish presence in the pair rather than a bullish one. So a very simple method for getting into a short-term sell when the trend is in a down direction. You can also use the same tactic for a buy position when the trend is the opposite way going up and you see bearish divergent volume at nearing the support level. But very simple and effective short-term strategy. As you can see, we were also under the 50 on the RSI. That is another secondary way to add confluence to this setup. To make sure that you have multiple things lined up, because as I always state, guys, you want to make sure you have multiple indicators and multiple forms of technical analysis lined up when you're making trades, especially on a short-term basis like the 5-minute binaries. If you want to learn more about how to find these trading scenarios with a higher probability for success, then definitely check out the Informed Traders educational package down below, where I cover in detail through a video series how to combine different technical trading tools like my favorite indicators in conjunction with support and resistance areas to ensure high probability, long-term profitable trading scenarios just like these. Additionally, we also offer the shadow trading program where you'll be added to our private group and trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays, from 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we did extend trading hours, as you guys might have seen the update video about a month back now, I think. Actually, like a couple months ago. So yeah, so we have extra trading time. Now note that we don't trade the 5-minute binaries in the shadow trading group. If you're more focused on doing exclusively 5-minute binaries, then I would recommend the Informed Traders Educational Package. Although you can use what is taught in the package on any time frame, in the shadow trading, we do focus on 2-hour contracts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If that sounds interesting, definitely check out the links below. Subscribe and like for more. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.